We are also entering into the world of autonomous agents. What you saw with Jason, the AI SDR agent that I highlighted is an autonomous agent. It does its job without having to wait for anyone. It can plan and act and evaluate, and it can repeat the whole thing all over again. It's a good example of autonomous agents, which is an evolving subject, to be honest. But it's happening already as we see. And now moving on to, we saw about orchestration, but there are also types of agent, right, which are primarily divided into two types: single agent and multi-agent. As simple as that. A single agent is where you have instructions and tools and guardrails and all of that built into one single agent. You give an input, you get an output. We saw that a little while earlier with the NDA Redliner agent, where all I had to do was give the NDA, incoming NDA, and the agent produces an output. So that is how a single agent system works. And a multi-agent system is, again, like you saw, and we have many such examples, which we are launching as blueprints shortly. So this is the architecture that I highlighted yesterday. Like look at this agent, right? This is a comprehensive multi-agent GTM, multi-agent system for GTM, go-to-market automation. So you have a content ideation agent, then it creates the content with a content creation agent, then the content repurposing agent, which can take the content and generate various social media data. Then you have AI programmatic SEO agent, which takes the idea and then converts that into landing pages. Then you have blog writing agent, which again takes the core content idea and write blog posts. Then you have social media writing agent, which converts that into social media posts. Then you again have email writing agent, email outreach, AI phone dialer, AI LinkedIn, and so on. This is a true multi-agent system. This is what your future marketing team or GTM team would look like. Um, uh, and this is as complex as it can get. Our team didn't stop here. We also went into performance ads manager agent and monitoring that, and finally bringing all of this together via a reporting agent. So this is how big it can go. There is also lead scoring and so on. So all these individual blocks comes together. Uh, and today, like I said, just the previous call, I was speaking to a customer, and when we kind of were brainstorming, I was writing these agents for them, how it all comes together. And yeah, so this is what eventually they're signing up for: an agent hub where they have an AI SDR. As you saw, an AI SDR is this, which can write emails automatically. Then they have an AI blog writer, which is something like this, an AI blog writer, where the agent can take up any topic on a daily basis, on a round robin basis. It'll go and do detailed research and build the blog post. It also sends to human in loop for review, as you could see here, where I can edit it if I require, or I can give feedback and improve it. But if I approve, the agent automatically posts on the Medium or LinkedIn, whichever blog, or even webhook, your own website. So this is the blog writer agent. Then you have AI phone dialer. I don't know if you guys have tried Lyra on our website. If you go to Lizer, there is a Lyra phone number on top. I think, I don't know, the team. Yeah, here is the number. So you can call the number and speak to the phone agent. Then comes your text agent, which is nothing but your SMS agents, your social media writer, your ebook writer, agents that can write ebooks. Like we had a customer name is here, but I still don't want to name technically. But the agent can write ebooks. As a user, you can also kind of choose between different visualizations. So this is how the market is evolving. So this is the agent hub that they are signing up for, and each of these agents are multi-agents themselves. And these agents are available for them to kind of, some of them are kind of background agents that they'll continue to run. They don't need any oversight, but some of the agents can be invoked by the team whenever required. So from a customer point of view, the agents will appear like this, and I'm making this design kind of open to everyone here in the teams in the call to use. This is a fantastic way to bring in multiple agents within your organization or for your teams. Or if you're a service provider, I would recommend this. This kind of always works. So you have an agent hub where you have multiple AI employees who are ready to work, who are available. Some of them are already working, and these agents can be accessed by the team. What you see here is the CFO AI agent hub, and all these agents write their intelligence into a central agent mesh, which eventually builds OGI, the organizational general intelligence. And you can also collect individual analytics about all these agents. So this is how things would evolve over a period of time. So yeah, so this is what multi-agent system would look like. Single agents are agents that you'll eventually build for your own use, but multi-agent systems are the ones which are truly autonomous in nature, which can go out and do their job. And we did discuss about the four multi-agent patterns earlier as well, as you saw here. Yeah, sequential, DAG, managerial, and hybrid. There are a few more variations to it, like network and supervisor, etc. But I think we are overdoing at this point in time. Whatever you saw earlier works perfectly. We don't even have to go into further. I mean, these are just extensions of what you already saw earlier.